Hello everyone. Every step I'm going to show you has been confirmed by experts working here in the shop. So take a deep breath. We'll fix this together. If you're driving your Toyota Tacoma and suddenly see the message, brake override malfunction, the first thing you might think is, what did I do now? Don't worry, it's not that your brakes went crazy. This warning basically tells you that the system controlling brake priority over the accelerator detected something unusual and wants you to check it before it causes bigger problems. The first thing many mechanics check is something super simple: the brake light circuit fuse, usually labeled stop. If this fuse is blown or loose, the system doesn't get the correct signal from the brake pedal and automatically triggers the error. Replacing it is often the fastest and cheapest solution before diving into more complicated repairs. If the fuse is fine, the next suspect is the brake pedal switch. That small sensor lets the car know, hey, I'm pressing the brake. Many shop mechanics report that a loose or dirty connector can cause the message to appear intermittently. Disconnecting and reconnecting it or even replacing the switch can restore normal operation. Another detail many people overlook is dirt or moisture in the rear light connectors. Sounds funny, but sand, water, or dust trapped in the connectors can alter the electrical signal, blow the stop fuse multiple times, and confuse the brake override system. Cleaning and protecting the connectors can sometimes fix the problem without spending money on parts. In rarer cases, the culprit can be electronic modules or software. If the message shows up along with other engine codes or the vehicle goes into limp mode, professional diagnostics may be needed. The Tacoma community agrees that a full scan can identify whether the issue is in the modules, sensors, or even the throttle body.